So for this video, we will be looking at weather observation station 6 and weather observation station 7. We are we've done quite a few now at this point. And a lot of these kind of repeat material. But I guess it's intended so we get the basics pretty solid. I'm really looking forward to getting up through all these easy so we can start getting into some of the mediums and hard. But anyway, so let's jump right in. All right, so weather observation station 6. Query the list of city names starting with the vowels and then a list of vowels from station, or list of vowels that it wants us to use. From station, your result cannot contain duplicates, so we must use distinct. Okay, input format station using the station table. So, right from where? So what it's asking us to collect is a collection of the city names. So select city, but not just city names. It wants distinct. So distinct. Select distinct city from station where. So for this example, there's many ways to do it. I will show you the way that I like to do it just because it will show you how to get comfortable with the in this case the or, so having many different statements in the where. So the way I like to do it is we want to let it know that we want each word that starts with, each city name that starts with A, E, I, O, U. So we're going to say where city, like, and then A. Now, we're letting it know that this is a string, A. But the way that you let it know that it's going to be at the start, it's with a wild, like with a wild card. So this would be the percent symbol. So this symbol will let it know that this is at the start, and there should be things that follow it after. If it was before, I mean at the end, it would be like this. So at the start, it's like this. Now, because there's other ones that we also want to search for, like E, I, O, U, we're going to say or. We don't want to be inclusive here. We want to be, I guess, exclusive. We want to exclude all these conditions and only select from one, not include all of them as one statement or one big condition. So we'll do city like A, city like E. I guess I should copy the or city like I, and then I'll just do this for all of them. All right, A, E, I, O, U. All right. So now let's double check. We're selecting distinct cities. Yep, from station, station table, perfect. Where city is like this. And one good thing to look for is in this example, they want us to look for lowercase. Out of just my paranoia, I would run lowercase and uppercase. But in this example, we're not going to do it because it's not asking for that. This is what I would do. But again, we're not doing that here, but just something to keep in mind. All right, let's run it. Perfect, so it runs. It looks like we don't need to do it. A lot of these do come up as capital. So we're good on that one. Now for weather observation station 7, it says query the list of city names ending with vowels A, E, I, O, U from station, cannot contain duplicates. Again, working with the station table. So since this question is pretty similar to the one we just did, I'm going to copy that over. Okay, so we satisfy the not containing duplicates. We have distinct from station. Now we want to say ending. So this comes up to what I brought up previously. We could use this wildcard character added to the start. And so now we're letting it know there will be text in the front. It could be anything. It can be any letter, number, but then it must end with this character. So we'll do that for all of them. And it works. So I just want to recap on something. If one of these were to be and, remember it will link up these two conditions. It will link up city like A and city like E, and it will almost treat it as if it was like this. So this must be together and this. It probably will not work because how is it gonna, let's see, oh, output. Yeah, I'm not too sure what we did here, but this is not what we want. We want the or because we don't want to be, we want to include everything that ends with either of these vowels. All right, thanks a lot for joining me today. For the next video, we will cover, what was this, 7? So we will cover 9 and 10. All right, thanks a lot. See you around.